Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. Today we'll tell you the ways to know if an account is deactivated on Instagram. So without delay, let's get started. For this, you have to open Instagram app. If you two have some previous conversation, then go to that chat and open it. If you don't see the username here which you were seeing before, then this means that the account is deactivated. This account is deactivated here because I don't see here any username but Instagram user instead of that. So I'll click and check. So here you will see nothing, not followers number, no following number, and not even profile picture and post. This kind of thing doesn't happen with a blocked account because you will see a username written under Instagram user. This means that the user has deactivated his or her account. To confirm this, let us go to Chrome browser. Here you have to enter username whose account you want to check if it has deactivated or not with Instagram.com. Like you have to write Instagram.com/ and the person's username here. As you can see, there's nothing in here. This means that the user that you have been searching on Instagram has deactivated his or her account. Remember, you must not be logged in with Instagram website on Google Chrome before searching the username. If you have logged into Instagram website, then you have to log out first before searching the username with Instagram.com, because it might be possible that you are blocked by that user. So you have to log out before doing any search. This way you can check if someone has deactivated Instagram account. Hope you like the video.